Okay, let's get ready to microneedle. You saw the setup, so I have my microneedling pen. I have a new cartridge, 36 pen cartridge, alcohol wipes, and my Costa Baja hyaluronic acid serum, which I'll use, that creates a slip, and my PDRN Salmon Cica PDRN. It is this one. Sorry, it's shiny. It is a Salmon Cica PDRN 5000 ppm, and the brand is Yami Code. I got it on Amazon, and this is the ampule. So I am going to start with a 0.25 depth and go slowly. So my hands are clean, my face is clean, and I have my alcohol here. So I'm going to put the cartridge, this is a brand new cartridge, sterile, and I'm going to put it in the pen. Open it. Okay. So this end goes in the pen. There's the cover. So it's at a 1 right now. 2, up to 3, goes this way. Okay, so I'm going to start at 3. So I'm going to mix my little cocktail of my hyaluronic acid serum and my PDRN ampule. Okay, so hang on. Okay, I have my little shot glass because I'm going to mix my concoction, my skincare cocktail inside of this. So I am cleaning this thoroughly with alcohol. It was already clean, but you know, clean my fingers. Okay, and let's put some in. So we'll start with the hyaluronic acid. I'm going to put some of the Cica PDRN. Okay, so I'm not sure how these open. I'm hoping they just pop right off. I may have to cut it. Oh wait, is it coming out? Oh, it breaks. Perfect. So it pops like that. Okay, and I'm going to put some in. I'll probably put about half in there. And when I need to, when that dries up, I'll add the rest. And I'm just going to use my finger for this, and I'm going to start with a little bit on my neck. Okay. Okay, and let's start with this. Start with the number 3. And I'm going to stamp it right now. A little dry. Yeah. And I'm not pressing too hard because I do not want it to drag or pull my skin. Okay. So I have these terrible lines here. Okay, a little more here. So close. Okay, let's do the other side. Stamping, and that actually hurts more. I didn't numb myself. This is really tolerable. I'm going real easy this first time around, which is this area here. Okay, trouble area. Upper lip, gels. Okay, this area. Lip line. Drop it. Right on the tip of the nose. Lip line. Almost on the lip, okay. If you want to get really plump lips, like before an event, maybe, you want your lips to be really plump, do that. And if you do it regularly, they'll plump. They will plump it. Okay, put some right on here. Okay, there we go. This area is really getting problematic. Okay, I'm adding some more. I'm adding the rest of the ampule. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little more like hyaluronic. That's it. That's a full syringe. Okay, so let's move up here to the eyebrows and the forehead, right between the brows. All right, this area. It's a little more sensitive. I'm going really light here. Make it clear. Okay. I'm gonna do my eyes a little bit. Ooh, a lot. Good. Around. Okay. I'm gonna get both sides along the before it dries out. Around here. Around here. It's already starting to dry out. This is the speed. Number 4. Are you done? Jealous. Yeah, a little bit. Mm-hmm. Okay, a little bit left. I'm gonna do my nose. A little bit more here. Be careful right there. Like glitter. I'll go ahead and get it. Alright, so these peaks I have right here on my scalp, trying to get some hair growing.